Alright everyone, so we're back here at Mercer's doing an oil change on the EL, as you can see, and we are going to be swapping out the valve cover. The valve cover has started leaking a lot more oil. We have the seals and everything. We couldn't get to it last week because we had a lot of work to do prior with the rad, the cooler, and all the custom fabrication for the brackets and whatnot Kevin had to make, which everything came out fire. Got the video of Tom's Type R already started. That thing's insane. Like I'm speechless. Like it's terrifying, the roar, and we don't even know the numbers it's gonna put out yet. But we're all speculating it's gonna be somewhere really high for a crazy all motor B.
Speculating. Speculating?
It's speculating, bro. It's I make my new words up, okay? When you have your own channel, you make up your own words.
That's true.
But anyways, say hi to YouTube, Kev. Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Look at that.
You spoke very good Canada.
Very good Canada. So yeah, I'll give you a quick look.
Wait, this is yours.
That's everything that we've done last week on the EL. Looking very nice. Car's running super great. It's not beer, Kev.
It's amazing, bro.
It's smart water, and it works. I drank so much smart water, it made me smart enough to stop going to the front.
Nice.
Anyways, that's the valve cover we're going to be putting on. That's the hardware kit. And I'm just waiting for our buddy Mikey to come back with his EF. I want to give you guys a nice little show of that. It's a really clean EF, pretty much fairly stock with the B16 swap. Very clean. It's on the old school 92 Enki rims. So once he gets back, we'll give a little, oh, speak of the devil. He's here. All right, everyone, this is the boy Mikey. Solid EF.
Broken EF.
Broken EF. It's not broken. This thing is super sick. As you can see, he just has a little problem with the idle air control valve. Just waiting for a new one to come in. He just got some work done on it. It is a beautiful, beautiful, clean EF. As you guys can see, that's the front. Let me get a little bit higher. There we go. This thing is gorgeous. Yeah, so he's had this car about 11 years, and he's changed some things on it. The interior is relatively stock, but you would want to change the interior on an EF. This thing's just simply gorgeous. And it's OEM quarter panels on this thing, nice and fresh. Anyways, give him a follow. I think he has Instagram. Alright guys, I was outside talking to Mike. Kevin got started. So basically, to do this, you gotta remove all this, which is the wiring for the coil pack. You gotta remove the coil packs. You gotta disconnect the wire off the alternator because it runs off the coil pack wire setup.
So you have enough room to move it over to the side.
And then just take out all those nice little bolts and pop her out.
Then you also have a bracket that goes here over the AC. And it is this bracket here. You would have to remove that bracket there. So you would have access to removing this wiring harness out of the way. So you have access to your valve cover.
So as you can see, a D17 is not like any other D where it's just take out some bolts, take out some spark plug wires and pop it out. This is a little bit more finicky.
Yeah, that's a good word, finicky.
See, I told you I use some smart words sometimes.
Yeah, you're very smart.
Yeah, very smart. If you're not Portuguese, smart means smart, which I am not. And yeah, I've decided instead of using the black coil pack cover, we're just gonna keep the silver Honda VTEC one. I'm just gonna redo the letters in a darker purple. It was by request of the wife. And I am not gonna say no because then I'll be in the doghouse.
You're married?
Yeah.
Oh man, I didn't know. I did not know. I thought you were single, ready to mingle, and yeah.
The only thing single ready to mingle is this motor.
Single jingle.
So valve cover's off. it was cracked where that nut was, and that's where all the oil was seeping. Just wanted to give you guys pretty much an image of the top of the head, all the, I guess, rocker arms and whatnot, and motor's really clean. We do only run 91 octane from Shell on this thing since we've owned it. Car just loves it, runs great. Some people will probably say, why would you do that on a single cam? You know, I haven't had any mechanical issues, and good gas, I believe, always makes a car run good and last longer. But yeah, that's the insides of it, and it's really clean. Kevin is in the washroom right now, dropping a deuce. I hope when he watches this video after, he laughs, because I am gonna be putting it on the channel, because that's the kind of person I am. We got a little purple valve cover. Wow, can't even speak right now. Purple VTEC solenoid cover. I forgot all about that we did a couple years ago. Didn't put no 2A tape because this, the weight of it just pretty much holds it down. We're here with Mr. Mercer. We're gonna be putting on the nice pizza pan of a fucking valve cover on this thing.
Pizza pan.
Well, you're holding it like a pizza.
Boppity boopity.
Boppity boopity. We just said like 5 different sentences in Italian.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
All right.
Here we go. Look at this thing. Going all over the place. Let's put this bad boy on.
All right, man. We're gonna insert it in the oven.
Oh yeah.
Is this how it goes in?
I'm not sure.
Are we doing a right side up or upside down?
A little bit of both.
Oh yeah, it's like a glove.
It's like the first time all over again. We use a lot of sexual references over here at the shop. It's kind of our thing.
Because we're fantastic.
And can you explain what you're doing right now, Kev?
Fingering the hole.
Yes. Fingering a beautiful hole.
No, so sometimes installing the valve cover, the oil seals, they get stuck. So I'm just going with this snap-on tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver just to help guide the seal around the chamber of the spark plugs, and that's it. That's what I was doing. I was just helping it guide it into place.
And she looks really proper right now, doesn't it? A lot better than the purple valve cover.
I was a fan of the purple. It was cute. Black looks nice. It's neutral. But like with all your little purple accessories, I think it's gonna pop. Purple accessories in the purple valve cover might have been a little too much. That's my opinion. But yeah, I think now it's gonna look nice too.
Awesome, awesome.
I give it a thumbs up.
Oh, it's approved. And we'll be back with the finished result. So that is the new valve cover with everything on it. We got the Downstar dress-up kit still back on it. Drag Cartel oil cap. Like I said, gonna keep these, the silver one with the purple lettering, which is gonna darken up the purple lettering. And yeah, looks a lot better, a lot cleaner, more OEM. And I'm really happy with the way the engine bay on Ash's car is turning out. That's gonna do it for us today. We should be back in the coming weeks with the Civic. Got some goodies to put onto it. Got the word today from Rick at Garage 16 that we got our parts that we ordered for the ES1 coming in. So I know Mercer's is gonna look forward to installing those ones.
Yeah, I'm on.
And till the next time, peace.